from Malaysia Chamber of Commerce Industry. We also represent uniqueyellowpages.com, the member company of our chamber. It's the AI ads and event promotion company. Member of MITEC. We are in a GoTrade event with DHL as an organizing host and also Sarawak Energy Berhad. Hi, how are you, James?
I'm good.
Appreciate personality from Sarawak Energy Berhad. Do you want to say some words, just before I continue?
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Elanggovan, for the brief introduction. We are from Sarawak Energy. We actually part of the CSR department, and our purpose here today is to promote the artisans' handicraft to all the foreign visitors. There's a technical GoTrade session here today. All what we want to do is to tell people about where they are from, the story, and for all of the motifs of their products, as well as to explore a little bit more about the culture from indigenous tribes in Sarawak.
As a Malaysian, I travel to Sabah, including many cities such as Buania, the ancient site, and Mini, Kuching, Bintulu. Even I traveled to Baru as a Sarawak Energy Praha, also officially as a corporate trainers. I'd like to show you Pua Kumbu, a craft product, designed by, for example, Miss Bintang, Ronda, and also Celine, for example. And she is doing on rotan. Rotan means rotan bag. And why Sarawak Energy Berhad again sponsored the CSR, because they have to travel sometimes 3 to 6 hours from their native place, and it will take hours sometimes of the challenges in the jungle. It could become days. So this item, for example, is the natural items which have vast plantation in the country, and then you will get produce this kind of bag. See, from this become bag. And for example, Ronda here. So this is an item called Pua Kumbu just now, a kind of can use as a scarf, as a big item, as a cloth, table, many application. International people are watching Unique Yellow Pages. Malaysia Drone Chamber's promotion here, complimentary. We cover for many events for matrix and industries. Kindly look into the website directly to the organization stated in the description. Buy online, send by probably couriers, DHLs, and other companies. We appreciate. Thank you very much. These skills are from centuries, decades. It is turun temurun kan. If I were to tahu yang bahasa Melayu, bertahun-tahun mengentas nilai tradisi skill tersebut bahawa daripada orang daripada pemuda. The supporting for the indigenous industry very important, because in a modern world this kind of valuable seni bernilai perlu dibawa bersama dengan kita ke teknologi dan tradisi, dan juga turun temurun kepada pemuda-pemudi yang akan meneruskan perjalanan journey tersebut. Jadi terima kasih sekali lagi daripada uniqueyellowpages.com, the online ads company within the Malaysian Drone Chamber, and we are also member of Matrix, and also drone delivery. So next time we will plan to visit technically and modelize how to do from basically hours, 6 hours, within half an hour delivery of the item using drone. So thank you very much. Thank you, James. Terima kasih.